So you need to plan extra time this morning. You are going to encounter snow-covered roadways, either from what we saw during the day on Monday or from what we're seeing right now, and it's a light coating, so nothing too thick or too hard to drive through, but it is going to slicken up the roads for your morning drive. Everybody is seeing snow from South Bend all the way down to Evansville. Temperatures ranging from the lower 20s in Evansville to the middle teens up near South Bend at 14. So everybody cold this morning, everybody waking up to snow. And here's our radar situation at this point. It is steady. It is very much widespread, and there are a few pockets picking up on some moderate bands of snow. So where you note some darker blues up near Crawfordsville, heading into Frankfort and into parts of Lafayette, you could see a burst of some moderate snow there. Otherwise, the snow should come to an end once we get through the early half of this afternoon, at least the more organized, widespread snow later on today. So by around, say, 9-10 o'clock, we'll see a good portion of snow still here in Indianapolis and points south and southeast. And then once we get a bit closer to your lunch hour here, notice how quickly this moves out. We should see more isolated snow chances in our eastern communities, and we'll keep in that chance of maybe a stray flurry later on today. But I think for the most part, we should just see a cloudy sky later on this afternoon and early evening. So we should see that more widespread snow shower chance really diminish. And I think a lot of us are fairly close to that inch and a half mark here in Indianapolis. Points south, there could be a few spots pushing around 2. There could be an isolated 2.5 inches the further south you go, where you do have that winter weather advisory. And then areas north, well less than an inch of snow by the end of the day today. Right now, temperatures are cold. We're waking up in the teens. 17 Indy, 14 South Bend, 18 degrees in the Chicagoland area right now. And as we head through the day today, expect to see our highs warm into the middle 20s, so that's even an improvement compared to what we saw yesterday. 24 degrees by 5 with a mostly cloudy sky to cloudy sky through this afternoon. Statewide, we are anticipating most of us warming into the 20s today, and then tonight our temperatures are actually going to get colder than what we're waking up to right now. A lot of us in the single digits, 8 in Indianapolis, 9 in Chicago to start off our Friday morning. But it should be starting off on a quiet note, so we're not factoring in any snow showers. There might even be a few breaks in the clouds, allowing for just a hair of sunshine or two. And then later on in the afternoon hours, expect to see cloud cover still thick at times with a mostly cloudy sky to wrap the work week tomorrow. It's also looking cold. Daytime highs in the upper teens, 18 degrees in Indianapolis, 19 in South Bend, 25 degrees in Bedford. And then as we start off this upcoming weekend, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds during the day on Saturday. We should stay dry. And then we're also looking at our next potential of a light wintry mix. So this weekend overall is split in terms of temperatures and precip chances. It looks dry Saturday, colder of the 2 days, 25, and then we boost almost about 10 degrees come Sunday. High of about 38 degrees with that chance of a light wintry mix during the afternoon hours. And the good news for us here is our temps are going to continue to climb, so they're just above the seasonal mark as we head into Monday of next week. Chapman Heating and Cooling 8-day forecast continues to show that temperatures are only going to remain above the seasonal highs we head into next week, especially Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with our highs in the middle 40s.